This is that boat riding. What is that? There's a tree behind us.
Show the people what we're doing.
We're gonna get out here and get tired of this crap here in a minute. Oh wait, he's fishing over here.
Yeah, go back.
What's that? We gotta get this thing straight, dude. Why ain't it freaking turning?
I think it's broke.
It turns back, it's good.